So life insurance, why do you have it? When do you need it? How much should you have? We've done videos about this before, but really here's the thought behind how we set up our life insurance policies.
Yeah, so one of the first things you have to think about is how much life insurance do you want? How much do you need? And those, I guess when we were talking through those things, it's really hearing each other and hearing if something happened to your spouse and you were left to take care of your children, your home, everything in your life, what would you want, what would you want to have the ability to do? So for us, it was making sure that our mortgage was paid off. That was one that we wanted to be sure was done. Then also saying, you know what, I don't want you to have to just, tomorrow go back to work because you don't have the income or enough life insurance to make that decision. Or it may be that you need to completely change careers or something to take care of our family. And so we wanted each other to have that flexibility and the ability to make that decision. So if we didn't have enough life insurance, you couldn't.
And how do we fund future goals like a college education for Emma? A reason why people often don't get life insurance is they think it's really expensive, or they think they're really healthy at the time, or I don't need it. Like we've seen people get it at work, and then when they leave that employer, they don't have anything. So it's important to set up a policy outside of work. It's important to add up what you want it to accomplish, and to get it now while you're healthy and young, because it's cheaper, and often doing a term policy really makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, so for us, we had our employer policies, and then also we have private policies. So policies that, like you said, we've gone outside of that so that we always have it regardless of where we're working.
And a term policy, meaning it's the same amount over a year, a 25-year span.
Exactly, and the thought there is getting it when we were younger, so starting that years ago, was that it's going to be there until we have saved enough where we can self-fund anything that would happen and have savings built up. So the other thing why we chose term was we really just needed a policy that as long as we pay the premium, we have that coverage. And so those were some of the reasons that we set up what we did.